Hey everyone, welcome to Next Gen Coders. Today, I'm diving into the future of AI in 2025 and what you must know as a beginner. Buckle up because AI is transforming faster than ever before. First up, let's talk about AI in our daily lives. By 2025, AI isn't just in your smart home devices or virtual assistants, it's everywhere. Think personalized healthcare, AI-driven education, and even smarter cities. Imagine your morning commute optimized in real time to avoid traffic thanks to AI. Cool, right? Now let's touch on AI ethics. As AI continues to grow, ethical considerations are huge. Transparency, fairness, and accountability. These aren't just buzzwords. They're essential for ensuring that AI benefits everyone, not just a select few. What about jobs? AI is changing the job market, but it's not all doom and gloom. Yes, some jobs may become obsolete, but new opportunities are emerging every day. Think AI maintenance, data analysis, and even AI ethics officers. So, it's a good time to level up your skills and stay ahead of the curve. Speaking of skills, let's talk about what you need to get started in AI. Don't worry, you don't need a PhD. Begin with the basics. Get familiar with programming languages like Python and libraries like TensorFlow. Online courses and tutorials are your best friends here. And let's not forget about the community. The AI community is super supportive, and there's a wealth of forums, meetups, and online groups where you can ask questions and share knowledge. So don't hesitate to jump in. Finally, let's look toward the horizon. AI is on the brink of some massive breakthroughs: quantum computing, advanced neural networks, and even AI that can create AI. The possibilities are endless, and as beginners, you're in the perfect position to shape the future. So, what's the next step? Dive in, check out some beginner courses, join a community, and start experimenting with projects. The future of AI is bright, and there's never been a better time to get involved. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Coders for more insights into the world of AI and tech. Until next time, keep coding.